Good morning, student. Let's start our lesson number 8, pollution. Now we are facing the very major problem of the pollution due to the vehicles, industrialization, urbanization, and due to the water pollution, air pollution, water let out from the factories. That it is a problem in the urban cities, the pollution. You see the pollution around you. Look at in the picture, you have seen the different pictures. The first picture is of the water let out from the factories into the reservoirs, and the second one is the pollution of air due to the vehicles and the pollution of air due to the factory. Now the question arises that where do you see the pollution around you? Pollution is seen in entire surrounding. The water bodies are heavily polluted due to release effluents. Oceans, rivers and tanks, ponds, canals are considered as the place where one can release indiscriminately all the pollutants. Various types of pollutants are released through the industrial effluents. Look at in the picture. And domestic sewage which are mixed in the water, which are from the societies. In fields, on land or soil, everywhere solid waste pollutants are dumped anyhow. Farmers experience heavy pollution due to the insecticidal sprays and chemical fertilizers. In air, various toxic gases and particulates are released due to the industries and vehicular traffic. Now, how does the pollution occur? This pollution occur due to the natural causes such as forest fire, dust storms, volcanic eruption, etc. But pollution to a greater extent and on regular basis is due to the activities of human. Man-made pollution is caused every possible ecosystem in every possible ecosystem. When we try to produce industrial products of our own choice, many hazardous substances are inadvertently added as pollutant to the environment. The causes pollution of air, water, and land too. Now think first, what is the pollutants? Factors affecting natural functions of ecosystem and causing harmful effects on abiotic and biotic factors are called as the pollutants. This is the most important. Abiotic and biotic means animals and plants and also the soil, water and air. Pollutants make the environment poisonous and unhealthy. Pollutants may be natural or man-made. Natural pollutants are destroyed in due course of time by nature's rule. However, man-made pollutants are. Think about if natural materials are polluted, why do we not pursue their adverse effects during their use? And when such materials are referred as pollutants, QSRM. If natural materials are pollutants, say हमारे, why do we are not pursue their adverse effects during their use? So that solution is many this question I asked you how to find out the answer and then note down in your notebook. Now again activity is cancel, use your brain power is cancel, and directly we are come to the point on the next page is the air pollution. Look at the picture. You have given the air pollution, that is a plot a graph showing the proportion of various gases in Earth's atmosphere, that is carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and again argon, oxygen, their percentage in the graph. That is nitrogen is 780 to 84 840, oxygen is 209 to 460, argon is 9340, carbon dioxide 330, other gases neon, helium, methane, krypton, hydrogen, xenon, nitrogen oxide, ozone, that one is 25 to 54. That is the graph of that. Now why is said that air is homogeneous mixture of different gases? The answer is that air is a mixture of many gases and we cannot see the gases, but by certain methods gases can be separated from the air. Therefore air is a homogeneous mixture of different gases. Now the third question is also there, is that which different hazardous gases